Jamestown, 1607. As you read, think about the following. Why was the colony founded? Who were the people that founded the colony? What problems did the colony encounter? What was the main purpose of the colony? The first permanent English colony in the New World was established by the Virginia Company for economic reasons. This private company hoped to profit from gold and other resources. 104 English men and boys built a settlement of cabins surrounded by a stockade fence near the James River at Jamestown, Virginia in 1607. The river and settlement were named after King James I. These first settlers were men who came in search of gold. What they found in the area was a swamp plagued by mosquitoes that caused malaria. Half the group were artisans, soldiers, and laborers. The other half were gentlemen who did not care to work. They quickly used up their supplies, and many later died from lack of food. After their leader, Captain John Smith, returned to England in 1609, the colonists at Jamestown endured a second winter of starvation and death. Having failed to plant or store enough grain for their needs, the settlers became desperate for food. The starving time, the winter of 1609, saw only 60 of the first 214 settlers at Jamestown survive.